Is your old laptop or PC running so slow that even opening a simple browser feels like a challenge? Don't worry and don't think about buying a new one yet, because there is a powerful solution that can bring your old system back to life. Most people believe that old computers are useless, but that is completely wrong. With the right Linux distribution, you can turn even a weak low-end PC into a fast, smooth, and usable machine again. In this video, I will show you the best Linux distros for low-end PCs in a very simple way so anyone can understand, even if you are a beginner with zero technical knowledge. If your computer has just 2 GB or 4 GB of RAM, an old processor, or takes too long to start or open apps, then this video is exactly for you, because these Linux options are specially made for weak hardware. First, we have Linux Lite, which is one of the best choices for beginners. It looks simple like Windows, it is very easy to use, and it runs smoothly even on low RAM, making your experience comfortable and familiar. Next comes Lubuntu, which is super lightweight and extremely fast. It is perfect for very old laptops, even those with 1 GB or 2 GB RAM, and it is great for browsing YouTube and daily basic tasks. Then we have MX Linux, which is a perfect balance between performance and features. It is stable, reliable, and gives you a smooth daily use experience without making your system heavy. If your PC is extremely old and almost dying, then Puppy Linux is the ultra-light option that is so small. It can even run directly from a USB without full installation, giving you surprising speed. Finally, Zorin OS Lite is for those who want a modern, beautiful Windows-like interface with smooth performance and easy controls. So if you are confused, just remember Linux Lite for beginners, Lubuntu for very old PCs, MX Linux for balanced use, and Zorin OS Lite for modern looks. So instead of throwing away your old computer, just install Linux and give it a second life, and you will be surprised how fast it becomes.